Welcome again to my channel. This is going to be a review Ryobi 18V hybrid portable fan. Your choice of power, battery or electric. This is a very powerful fan. Let me show you the back. Okay, so as you can see, you have two connections. One that you can use a battery, second you can use a AC outlet plug cable. So I'm going to connect the battery now so you can see how it works. This is where you turn it off. On, off, you have two speeds, 1 and 2. I'm going to get the battery. I'm going to show you how this works. As you can see, I already installed the battery. This is the battery I installed. So let's crank this up. So I'm going to put it on number 1. So as you can see, let's put it on number 2. Now it's off. Super simple, right?
So as you can see, you can pretty much, you can tilt it up, and then you can tilt it down, pretty much to any direction that you wanted to have pointing. So it's a very good little fan to have. It's very powerful, and as you can see, it has the first speed, and then it has number 2, second speed, as you can see there on the video. So it's very, and then you leave it in the middle, it's gonna turn off, okay?
So now we're going to use the cord that is plugged to the wall, okay? It's going to be connected over here, okay? The cable is already plugged in. So it says usually if you put a battery. So right now I have it plugged to the AC outlet. Alright, let's turn this on. You can use this both ways. You can use from the wall, on the PC, and you can use the battery that goes through. So it goes both ways, okay?